This is a hot steam mop as seen through an infrared thermal camera attached to a smartphone. To help give you a better understanding, we're mixing synchronized video with the thermal camera and our video camera for this demonstration. Using the thermal camera can make it easy to learn more about your steam mop's performance and how it affects the surface you're cleaning. In this case, this is a ceramic tile floor. Brighter colors are hotter and darker colors are cooler. And look at those temperature readouts. Look at the heat. It's amazing to literally see the heat from your mop while giving you some useful knowledge on how effectively it really operates, sanitizes, and cleans. Today's thermal cameras are impressive and very affordable to make things that are normally invisible to humans visible. They attach to a smartphone or come in a handheld device too. There are countless other beneficial uses of these cameras, and we hope you get a chance someday to try one out. Thanks for watching ElectricTV.